Enna is located 930 meters above sea level with 25,000 inhabitants, built on two hills, one old town and one so-called modern part, with the three spots pointing out the very central part of Sicily. Enna is also called the belly button of Sicily or the navel of Sicily. Here we have views over Sicily to all weather directions, and we are now driving small tiny roads to the old town. The library was realized 1867 and holds many antique works and musical pieces. It looks like a church and was actually confiscated during the neoliberal political era to become a library. Castello di Lombardia. Now we are up to 970 meters above sea level, and it's a 26,000 square meters of medieval castle, and was one of the largest in Italy that time, and it got its name as it was a secure place for Lombardy soldiers defending this area called Lombardy. The obelisk is the geographical central part of Sicily, built by Michele Rocca, and is also has some peace symbol artworks on. The octagonal tower, or Tower of Federico II one, was built by Sicily a long time ago as an astronomical observatory, therefore also astronomical central part of Sicily. But dated to 1237 as a military holding, and then a municipal archive.